I'm Swati Jain from Rockgold Academy, and today we are going to read chapter 6 Clothes. We all need to wear clothes to cover up our body. Clothes protects us from heat, cold, rain, germs, dust, and insect bites. Clothes make us good, look smart, and tidy. Students, you wear daily. What you wear in your daily life in is your clothes. What you wear as a covering material is a cloth. So start with the type of the clothes. We wear different types of clothes. These are cotton clothes, woolen clothes, raincoats, and jump boots. We wear these items according to different seasons. So students, uh, clothes are vary from occasion to occasion, season to season. Like you need simple clothes and thin clothes for your summer season, but you need uh, thick clothes for your winters. So start with cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes absorb sweat and keep our body cool. We need cotton from the cotton we we get cotton from the cotton plant. T-shirts, frocks, skirt, shorts, trousers are some examples of the cotton clothes. So students, cotton clothes are very thin clothes, so you wear those clothes in summer. And these cloth items are like t-shirt, frocks, skirt, shirts, shorts, and trousers. And woolen clothes are those which are usually thick and we wear in winter season. We wear woolen cloth in winter. They protect us from cold weather and keep us warm. They are made from wool. We get wool from sheep. Sweater, muffler, jacket, gloves, woolen caps are some examples of the woolen cloth. So, if you remember what you wear in your summer days, you got the answers. स्टूडेंट्स, आप सर्दियों में बहुत थिक क्लॉथ वाली चीज़ें पहनते हो, जैसे स्वेटर्स, मफलर्स, जैकेट्स, ग्लव्स, वुलन कैप. तो दीज ऑल आर मेड फ्रॉम द वुलन क्लॉथ्स. If we move next, then except woolen clothes and cotton clothes, we also wear some clothes just for specific reasons, like raincoats and jump boots, which we wear in only rain. During rain, we wear raincoats and jump boots to keep ourselves dry, and we also use umbrellas to protect ourselves from rain. During rain, actually woolen clothes and cotton clothes, all these clothes are usually wet when we go out in in rainy season. But raincoats are made up of such items which are not usually wet by water. So we used to wear these types of clothes which are made from rubber and polyester type material. Now, if we being more specific about uniform, then some people wear specific clothes according to their work, and they do. And these specific clothes are uniform. Student, you also wear a uniform in school. You call those clothes like school uniform. So doctors, soldiers, policemen, postmen, lawyers, and nurses wear uniforms. These are you can identify these types of people, those peoples clearly on the basis of their clothes. Like you see doctor wearing white coat and with stethoscope. You see soldiers with gun and specific type of clothes. And policemen, you identify policemen by their clothes now. So they wear these types of clothes which are specific for their post. Nurses and lawyers do same. Children wear school uniform in their school. As I said you, that you also wear school uniforms in for your school. Second, clothes for occasion. We wear specific and colorful clothes on occasion like festival, weddings, and birthday parties. And these types of clothes are called occasional clothes. When there is any program in your house like Diwali, and something else, होली, यू वेयर स्पेसिफिक रंग बिरंगे कपड़े पहनते हो ना आप, तो दोज क्लॉथ्स आर यूजुअली कॉल्ड ओकेजनल क्लॉथ, बिकॉज आप वो किसी ओकेजन पे पहन रहे हो. सो वी शुड ऑलवेज वियर नीट एंड क्लीन क्लॉथ्स. भारत के स्वच्छता अभियान की ओर अग्रसर करते हुए हमें हमेशा स्वच्छ कपड़े ही पहनने चाहिए. So for this we are done. This time good luck and we will meet soon.